This is the MXR EVH Phase 90 phaser. We're going to unbox it today. So here's the packaging for the EVH Phase 90 and by MXR. Of course, Eddie Van Halen's signature, guitar patterning. Let's see what's in this thing. All right, so we've got the unit itself. And it comes with the rubber adapter that just slides on top of the button, so that's so you can use your foot or your shoe to turn the knob more easily without having to go down and use your hand. This button here puts it in the older version of the circuit. So the MXR Phase 90, it originally had a design on the face of it that was written script, like handwriting. When they changed the circuit, they also changed the script to this block format, which is what you see here, the MXR. And there was a sonic difference between the two. So the one that Eddie Van Halen was using on all those early recordings, the first, second, third, and fourth album, etc., where you hear all of that phase, especially phaser during the solos, especially, or during Atomic Punk, that is a unit that was a script unit, and so by pressing this button, you can put this unit into the same circuit that Eddie Van Halen used when he was using his script version. All right, so that's the pedal. In the bag comes a sticker. Again, we get these legs, feet that you put underneath the pedal. We got another knob, interestingly enough, because there's already one on the unit itself. And we've got, of course, your quick guide and the Dunlop, who makes MXR now, the Dunlop warranty information. And that's pretty much it. Oh, it's interesting. On the inside of the box, it says, "Use it, abuse it, stomp on it, blaze on." Excellent. Nice rock and roll sentiment. All right, so there's the unboxing of the MXR Phase 90 Eddie Van Halen edition.